How to make Springtrap, the full suit. Measure from the bottom of your back around your shoulder to the bottom of your torso. Mark how long it was, and cut the extra foam off. Mark at the halfway point and go 4 inches to each side to make the hole for the neck. Now cut it out. Put it on and have someone mark where the back of the foam overlaps the front, then mark it and then cut it out. Now hot glue the sides together. Test it out to make sure it fits comfortably. Make sure to do some weird poses. Use an image online to draw the scars and holes. Take an X-Acto blade or some scissors and cut them out. Hot glue the front onto some fabric and make your way to the back. It should now look like this. Now cut slits into the fabric where the holes are. Fold them over and hot glue them in. Now do it to every single one of the holes. You should end up getting a little something like this. Now lightly dab on some black paint to make the fur look darker. Make the belly a little darker than the rest of the body. I decided I want the belly to have more depth, so I cut out a piece of foam in the exact shape. Then just added fabric around it. Dab on some black paint. And hot glue a piece of black felt on the back of it. Trim the extra felt off. Hot glue the belly onto the torso. Cut 7 strands of red wire and hot glue it onto the belly. I painted a bottle cap black and that will be the button. Now I'm painting any white foam that's showing black. Once the paint has dried, hot glue the button on. This is what the torso is looking like. Make sure to do some poses to make sure you can fit in it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for part 2, and peace.